శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. టుడే ఈజ్ ద సెకండ్ డే ఆఫ్ వైశాఖ మాస. సో ద ద్వితీయ, శుక్లపక్ష ద్వితీయ. టుమారో ఈజ్ అక్షయ తృతీయ and Panchami is the Sri Shankara Bhagavatpadacharya's Jayanti. So on these occasions, I thought of reading out few stotras, giving the significance. Sanatana Dharma is not there in today's world. We will not be having this live talk on the Sanatana Dharma if there are no three Jayantis. One is the Krishna Ashtami, Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. So in the Guru Parampara Stotram also we start with Narayanam Padmabhavam Vasishtam Shaktim Tatputra Parasarancha Vyasam Sukam Gaudapadam Mahantam Govinda Yogendram Athasya Sishyam Sankaram Padmapadam Hastamalakam. So after the Sankara. So Narayana Samarambham, Sadasiva Samarambham. Parameshwara, Paramatma is the Jagadguru. Jagadguru in Krishna Swarupa has given his word, which is very much the highest teaching, applicable, available to everyone in this world. So Krishna Ashtami, Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum is the first Guru. Then the Jagadguru Vachana well applies to Vyasa Maharshi. So Vyasa Maharshi's Jayanti we celebrate Ashadha Shukla Purnima. We celebrate that as Guru Purnima, and he has given Ashtadasha Puranas, which is again applicable to everybody in the world. Everybody can take inspiration, knowledge, wisdom from there, lead their lives as per the dharma. So he is the Jagadguru. He has written the sutras for Vedanta Shastra, Uttara Mimamsa or Shariraka Mimamsa sutras. So Vyasa is the Jagadguru. Jagadguru Vachana after Sri Krishna Paramatma, Vyasa is the person who takes this Jagadguru. Then comes the greatest teacher of all time, Acharya, Shankara Bhagavatpada Acharya. Shankara Bhagavatpada Acharya born in Vaisakha Shukla Panchami Tidhi. He has written the Bhashyas for Prasthanatraya. So in the Prasthanatraya is the Vyasa Maharshi's Mimamsa Sutra along with Dashopanishad Bhashyas or primary Upanishad Bhashyas. That is for the highly qualified students who have the caliber to study that level of Vedanta. But what about the others? Shankara Bhagavatpada also wrote the third Prasthana. So the two Prasthanas are the Upanishads and Brahma Sutras. The third Prasthana is Bhagavad Gita Bhashyam. Taking the Jagadguru's Gita, the Bhashyam has been done by Shankara Bhagavatpada. So Shankara Bhagavatpada has done the Prasthanatraya Bhashyas. But studying the bhashyas is very difficult. So he has given lot of prakarana granthas like Viveka Chudamani, Upadesa Sahasri, Ekasloki with one sloka prakarana, which will give the essence of whole of the philosophy. And also Upadesa Sahasri, 1000 Upadesas. That is for Madhyamadhikaris. So people who have a good amount of intelligence but not at that level where they can go to understand the bhashyas. And also considering other people who can't even get into this prakarana granthas, study those granthas, get onto the Jnana Marga. Shankara Bhagavatpadacharya also gave numerous stotras on all forms of God. The Supreme God is one. He comes into the availability for being available to the disciples, for the bhaktas, for the devotees. He takes the forms as it needs and come into the vision, visibility, or the grasp, reach of the devotees. And the devotees have worshipped all these Vaidika dharma, gods. So considering all this spectrum of work done, the Jagat Guru, the word, goes very well with Shankara Bhagavatpadacharya. And all the parampara, so to keep this Sanatana Dharma running, Shankara Bhagavatpadacharya also established 4 Chaturamnaya Pithas. Amnaya Pithas. Amnaya is what is related to Veda. And each Pitha has one Veda, one Mahavakya, one title as Bharati, Saraswati, Giri, with a title, a Shankaracharya. So everybody who is taking care of that Pitha, the main pontiff of that Pitha is Shankaracharya only, Shankaracharya Swarupa. And in that lineage, a lot of great people are initiated, and I am fortunate to have my Guru, Swami Virajeshwara Saraswati, in that lineage with Yoga Vedanta Padhati. So bowing down to all the parampara of Gurus. So the Parvadina, which is upcoming on Panchami, is Bhagavatpada's Jayanti. If that Parvadina is not there, today no other Parvadina of Sanatana Dharma would be followed here. So at different times when the Dharma is not taken in the right sense, Paramatma came in one avatara. So Krishna, Vyasa or Shankara, one of these avatars, he has re-established the original truth in its original state and also adapted it for the people to do the worship to the gods and gain worldly and also spiritual benefits. So as a tradition, doing a Jayanti or the birthday anniversary on one day is not sufficient for Shankara Bhagavatpadacharya's Jayanti. So it is, as a tradition, 5 days is celebrated from Vaisakha Masa, beginning of Vaisakha Masa, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, on the 5th day culminating. Also at least even otherwise from Akshaya Tritiya, 3, 4, 5, 3 days. The way to celebrate this Shankara Bhagavatpadacharya is to study his works. So the Akshaya Tritiya, also a lot of significance is there for the Akshaya Tritiya. So Akshaya Tritiya is Treta Yugadi. So that is one significance. Parashurama Jayanti. Parashurama, also an avatar of Vishnu, But the avatara, by tapas, Parashurama got the Vishnu Amsa into him. And he performed with Vishnu Amsa, he performed his duties of cleaning up the bad administrators, Kshatriyas. And then with Rama Avatara, he gave back that Amsa back to Rama again and remained as a Chiranjeevi, as a Maharshi, as a great Upasaka of Devi. Parashurama and Dattatreya Samvadam, there is a Tripura Rahasyam, which is a great work of wisdom, is available. Such Parashurama is born on Akshaya Tritiya. Then it is Chandanotsavam. It is Chandanotsavam in lot of places. So basically at this time, worshipping God with the Gandham, Sri Gandham, Chandanam, and offering the Chandanam to the Lord is one of the things which gives Akshaya Phalita. So there are other Akshaya, Akshaya Navami, which is Kruta Yugadi, Kartika Sukla Navami is the Akshaya Navami. Treta Yugadi, Dwapara Yugadi, Bhadrapada Bhaula Trayodasi. Then Kali Yugadi, there are multiple traditions, but we celebrate on the Chaitra Sukla Pajyami. So like that Kalpadi, these Adi days, they are all known as Akshaya Tithis, Akshaya Navami, Akshaya Tritiya. So Akshaya Tritiya, Japa, Dana, Yajna, Dhyana, Puja, Upasana, Vrata, all these give infinite results, undiminishing. Akshaya, Kshaya is to go down. So if I have 100 rupees, I keep spending a rupee every day in 100 days, Kshaya, it will be completely gone. So Akshaya, I have something, whatever is the passage of time, nothing happens to what I have, that is Akshaya. So Akshaya Tritiya, that day Simhachalam Kshetram will do the Chandanotsavam. On that occasion, I thought of reading out Lakshmi Nrasimha Mamadehi Karavalambam Stotram, Nrasimha Mamadehi Karavalamba Stotram, Lakshmi Narasimha Swami, with a little bit of my own broken English explanation. But this can be read tomorrow, Lakshmi Nrasimha Mamadehi Karavalambam. Shankara Bhagavad any stotra will have highest Advaita in it, Bhakti in it, Jnana in it, everything in it. So we'll take a look how well we will go with the 16 slokas, about 16-15 minutes. Then we will go with the Shankara Jayanti. Lakshmi Nrasimha Karunarasa Stotram. It is also known as Lakshmi Nrasimha Karunarasa Stotram. Srimat Payonidhi Niketana Chakrapane Bhogindra Bhoga Manirajita Punyamurtehe Yogisa Shashvata Sharanya Bhavabhipota Lakshmi Nrasimha Mamadehi Karavalambam. So Srimat Payonidhi Niketana. In the Milky Ocean, one who has the Niketanam house, Chakrapane, who is having a chakra or the time or the Sudarsana chakra in the hand, Chakrapane. Bhogendra Bhogamani Rajita. Bhogendras are the big serpents. Bhoga Mani Rajita. Punyamurtehe, by brightened by the manis which are there on the Bhogendra Bhogendras. Yogisha Shashvata Saranya Bhavabhipota. Yogisha, for the yogis, eternal Saranya, eternal refuge. Bhavabhipota, one he takes away from this bhavabdhi. Lakshmi Nrasimha mamadehi karavalambam. Lakshmi Nrasimha mamadehi, give me karavalambam, a helping hand. Avalambam, which to hold. Alambana, avalambana is the holding. Mamadehi, give me karavalambam. Brahmendra Rudra Marud Arka Kirita Koti. Brahmendra Rudra Marud Arka Kirita Koti. Sanghattitangrika Amala Amalamala Sanghattitangrika Amala Kanti Kanta Lakshmi Lasat Kucha Sara Kucha Saroruha Rajahamsa Lakshmi Lasat Kucha Saroruha Rajahamsa Lakshmi Nrasimha Mamadehi Karavalambam. Brahmendra Rudra Marud Arka. Brahma, Indra, Rudra, Marut, Arka, Kirita Koti. All those divinities, their Kirita Koti, the crores of Kiritas, their mount, Sanghattita, Angri Kamala Mala Kanti Kanta. So the brightness of those Kiritas, the mounts what they wear on their head, the light coming from them is brightening the feet of such a god. Lakshmi Lasat Kucha Saroruha Rajahamsa. So Lakshmi's Kucha Saroruha Rajahamsa is the Hamsa on the breasts of Lakshmi. Lakshmi Nrasimha Mamadehis Karavalambam. So having invoked the Narasimha in those forms, the philosophy is now being given. Like next slokas will tell about the Samsara Sagara very interestingly. Samsara Dava Dahanakara Bhekareshu Damsara Dava Dahanakara Bhekareshu Jwalavalibi Rati Jwalavalibihi Atidagdha Tanuruhasya. So by the Jwalas, the fire Jwala, which is coming from Samsara Sagara, from this Samsara Davadahana, Samsara Davagni, the forest fire of Samsara, the flames coming from there, Jwalavalibhi Ratidagdha Tanurahasya, so having the body which is scorched by the heat of that fire, Tvatpada Padma Sarasiruham Tvatpada Padma Sarasiruham Agatasya. So Tvat of your Pada Padma, lotus feet, Sarasi, Saras, Iruham, Sarasiruham. So the lotus feet, the saras of the lotus feet, having reached there, Lakshmi Nrasimha Mamadehi Karavalambam. Lakshmi Nrasimha, give me that helping hand, pull me up from this. Samsara Jala Patitasya Jagannivasa Sarvendriyartha Badisha Graj Sarvendriyartha Padishagrah Jhashopamasya Sarvendriyartha Sarva Indriya Artha Padisha Jhasha is the crocodiles, Jhashopamasya, water animals. Samsara Jala Patitasya, Samsara Jala, stuck in the net of the Samsara Jala, Jagannivasa, Sarvendriyartha, Badishaksha Jashopamasya, Prot Kampita Prachura Taluka Mastakasya, Prot Kampita Prachura Taluka Mastakasya, having shaken the Taluka and Mastaka, head and tongue, Taluka Mastakasya, Lakshmi Nrasimha Mamadehi Karavalambam. So Samsara Jala, so in the Samsara, net of Samsara, Jagannivasa, who is in whom the Jagat is taking Nivasa. Samsara Kopa Patito Pati Samsara Kopam Atighoram Magadhatulyam Samsara Kopam Atighoram Agadhatulyam Sampraptya Dukkha Seta Sarpa Samakulasya of hundreds of sarpas like snakes, poisonous snakes. Sampraptya Dukkha Seta, so hundreds of Dukkha sarpas. So the sorrows like snakes which are taking away. Dinasya Deva Krupaya Padamagatasya came to your lotus feet again. Padam Agatasya Lakshmi Nrusimha Mamadehi Karavalambam. Samsara Bhikara Bhikara Indrakara Bhighata. Telugu pustakam. Samsara Bhikara, Karindra. So there is a Samsara Bhikara Karindra Karabhighata Nishphidyamana Vapushaha Sakalartinasaha Pranaprayana Bhavabhitim Samakulasya Lakshmi Nrusimha Mamadehi Karavalambam. Samsara Bhikara Karindra. So like a Karindra, big elephant. So now Samsara is being giving a simile with different things. Kupa, Agadha, Jala. So Samsara Bhikara Karindra Karabhighata. So Karindra Karabhighata, by being beaten by the elephants, elephant of this Damshtragra Ketipari Damshtragra Karabhighata Nishphidyamana Vapusha Sakalarti Rupaha. Nishphidyamana, being a lot of pressure. Nishphidyamana Vapushaha Sakalartinasaha, Arti, having all the different types of artists. Artinasaha Pranaprayana Bhavabhiti Samakulasya. So where the body Pranaprayana, the prana is taking, it is taking a journey out of the body. Prayana Bhavabhiti Bhartanasa. So the fear of death. So the Naga Karindraghata Lakshmi Nrasimha Mamadehi Karavalambam. Samsara Sarpa Vishadigdha Mahogra Tivra. Samsara Sarpa Vishadigdha Mahogra Tivra Damshtragra Koti Paridashta Vinashta Murte Damshtragra Koti Paridashta Vinashta Murte Nagari Vahana Sudhabdhi Nivasa Shaure Nagari Vahana Sudhabdhi Nivasa Shaure Lakshmi Nrusimha Mamadehi Karavalambam. So he is using the three names here in this. Nagari Vahana, Naga Ari. So now the simile is given here as the Samsara Sarpa. Samsara itself as a snake. But we are calling the Vishnu with Nagari Vahana, one who is the enemy for these Nagas. Such Vahana, enemy of the Nagas is Garuda Vahana, Nagari Vahana, Sudhabdhi Nivasa, Shaure, so one who always lives in the Sudhabdhi, or not the milky ocean. Sudha is the nectarine ocean. Sudhabdhi Nivasa, Shauri, Lakshmi Nrasimha Mamadehi Karavalambam. That is the 7th sloka. 8th sloka. Samsara Vruksha సంసార వృక్షం అఘబీజం అనంతకర్మ శాఖాయుతం కరణపత్రమనంగపుష్పం ఆరుహ్య దుఃఖ జలధౌ పతితో దయాళో లక్ష్మీనృసింహ మమదేహి కరావలంబం. సో సంసార ఈజ్ నౌ taken a simile with vriksha, a big tree. Agha bijam, so it is having a bijam as agha, means the seed of it is sin. Sin means, I have explained several times earlier, again not to take this sin as the Western model of sin and virtue. Sin is something which is obstructing the vision of supreme nature. So agha bija, that obstruction is the bija. From there, ananta karma shakhayutam. So infinite number of karmas, actions, those are the branches. It has grown ananta shakha. Karanapatram ananga pushpam. Karanapatram. So all these karanas, all these instruments as the leaves to perform the actions. Ananga pushpam. Ananga is manmadha, or the desire. All the desires are the flowers which are coming out of there. Ananga pushpam. Aruhya, by climbing up there onto this kind of a tree, dukkha jaladhau patito, fallen into the jaladhi or the ocean of dukkha. Dayalo Lakshmi Nrusimha mamadehi karavalambam. This is the 8th stotra, 8th sloka. Samsara sagara visala karalakama నక్రగ్రహాగ్రసిత నిగ్రహ విగ్రహస్య వ్యగ్రస్య రాగనిచయోర్మి పీడితస్య లక్ష్మీన్ నృసింహ మమదేహి కరావలంబం. సో సంసార సాగర విశాల కరాళ కామ. సో దిస్ సంసార సాగర ఈజ్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎ వెరీ వైడ్ రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ కరాళ డార్క్ కామ డిజైర్స్. కరాళ కాల, Karala Kala is also a Patha Bedham. So Vyagrasya Vakragraha Sita Vigraha Nigrahasya. So by the all the Vakra, all the defective ways of going, having caught by such defective ways going in this Sagara, Vyagrasya Raganichayor nipiditasya, of having all these attachments, Raganichayaha, around everywhere, tying a person. So what I need is Lakshmi Nrusimha mamadehi karavalambam. That is the 9th one. Samsara sagara nimajjana muhyamanam. 10th sloka. Samsara sagara nimajjana muhyamanam దీపం విలోకయ విభో కరుణానిధే మాం ప్రహ్లాద ఖేద పరిహార పరావతార లక్ష్మీనృసింహ మమదేహి కరావలంబం. సో సంసార సాగర నిమజ్జన, హ్యావింగ్ కంప్లీట్లీ డ్రౌన్డ్ ఇన్ ద సంసార సాగర, నాట్ సీయింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్ దీనం విలోకయ విభో కరుణానిధే మాం. సో షో మీ ద పాత్. Prahlada, so how you have recovered the Prahlada? So we are taking Prahlada, Kheda, Parihara, Paravatara. Oh, Paravatara, who has taken a instantaneous avatara. Paravatara, half Simha, half man and lion. Such an avatara has taken to lift up the Prahlada. Lakshmi Nrusimha, Mamadehi Karavalambam. Then samsara ghora gahane charato murare marograbhikara mruga prachurardhitasya artasya matsaranidakha sudukkitasya. So samsara ghora గహనే చరతో మురారే మారోగ్రభీకరం మృగ ప్రచురార్థితస్య ఆర్తస్య మత్సర నిదాఘ ప్రచురార్థతస్య లక్ష్మీ నృసింహ మమదేహి కరావలంబం. సో ఆర్తస్య, ఇన్ దిస్ సంసార సాగర గహనే చరతో మురారే, డిఫికల్ట్ చరణ గోయింగ్ అరౌండ్ ఇస్ మురారే, మారోగ్రభీత భీకర మృగ, సో హ్యావింగ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెంట్ వైల్డ్ యానిమల్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫారెస్ట్. ఆర్తస్య, బై ద ఆర్తి ఆఫ్ దోస్ వైల్డ్ యానిమల్స్, లక్ష్మీ నృసింహ సేవ్ మీ ఫ్రమ్ దేర్. That is the 11th. 12th. Baddhagale యమభటా బహు తర్జయంతః కర్షంతి యత్ర పథి పాశశతైర్యదాం శతైర్యుతం మాం ఏకాకినం పరవశం చకితం దయాళో లక్ష్మీ నృసింహ మమదేహి కరావలంబం. హ్యావింగ్ tied by the baddham gale, the gale kantha or the neck, yamabhata bahutarjayantaha, yamabhatas, the messengers of Yama, have stuck their ropes on my neck. Karshanti, they are pulling towards them. Yatra bhavapasa satayiryutam mam. But I have bhavapasa satam. Here, this side, I have hundreds of attachments, ropes binding me to this world. And one side, they are pulling me to the other thing. Ekakinam, alone, one. Paravasham, I am paravasham. I don't have any more energy left. One side, one pull, this side is happening, one pull, that side is happening. Chekitam dayalo. I don't know what to do. Chekitam dayalo. లక్ష్మీ నృసింహ మమదేహి కరావలంబం. లక్ష్మీపతే కమలనాభ సురేశ విష్ణు యజ్ఞేశ యజ్ఞ మధుసూదన విశ్వరూప బ్రహ్మణ్య కేశవ జనార్దన వాసుదేవ లక్ష్మీ నృసింహ మమదేహి కరావలంబం. సో శంకరాచార్య టేక్స్ డిఫరెంట్ నేమ్స్. లక్ష్మీపతే, హస్బెండ్ ఆఫ్ లక్ష్మి. కమలనాభ, from your nabhi, navel, the lotus comes, and from there Kamala comes. In that Kamala, Brahma is there, who is the creator. Suresha, of Isha, the god of all the gods. Vishnu, one who has pervaded everything. Yajnesha, one who is the Ishvara, one the lord of all the yajna. Yajna means sacrifice, action. All action is known as yajna. Yajna, Yajnesha, Yajna. His action, he is the lord of action. Madhusudana, Vishwarupa. Madhusudana, Madhu means honey. So this honey is there in small quantities in several flowers everywhere in the objective experience. This Madhu is a quality or the daemon which goes and collects this small quantity and puts it inside ahankara. So Madhu is the ahankara which is going and getting the essence of this small pieces of honey, or the vasanas, or the very subtle thing which is not normally visible, and bringing it into this honeycomb of mind, and filling it with all these vasanas. So that quality is known as Madhu, who is a demon. Madhusudana, one who has killed that Madhu, Madhusudana. Vishwarupa, of this form of this whole world. Brahmanya Kesava Janardana Vasudeva. Brahmanya, so known to Brahma, father of Brahma, Brahmanya. Kesava, Kascha Ascha Isascha Kesavaha. Of all these Indriyas are known as Kaha, or the Isha Keshava, so one who is the Lord of all this. Janardana, so of all the Jana, Janardana, so one who moves all the Janas, Janardana, or makes them work, Janardana. Vasudeva, Vasudeva. So Vasudeva is all the Vasus. What is Bhu, 8 Ashta Prakritis are the Ashta Vasus. Vasudeva is the Lord of those Prakritis. Lakshmin Rasimha Mamadehi Karavalambam. Ekena Chakram Aparena Karena Sankham Anyena Sindhutanaya Mavalambya Tishtam Anyena Sindhutanayam Avalambya Tishtam Vametarena Varadabhaya Padmachinham Lakshmindrasimha Mamadehi Karavalambam. So Ekena Chakram, in one the wheel of time. Aparena Sankham, Sankham is creative sound which converts Pranavayu into Shabda Shakti. So the creation, so Sankha can bring out the symbol of creation. Chakra is the control, Sankha is the creation. So Sankha Chakra. Anyena Sindhutanayam Yavalambya. In another hand, holding the Sindhutanaya, all the wealth, Lakshmi is holding that. Tishtan is sitting in place. Vametarena Varadabhaya Padmachihnam. In the Vametara, in the right hand, in the Vama Itara, other than Vama hand. Vama is left hand. Vametarena Varada Abhaya Padmachihnam. Varada Abhaya Padmachihnam. All the three are there. How it will be there? That is the darsana Shankara is doing. Lakshmindrasimha Mamadehi Karavalambam. So my favorite sloka finally. Andhasya me hrota viveka mahadhanasya chorai mahabalibhirindriya namadheyai mohandhakara kuhare vinipatitasya Lakshmindrasimha Mamadehi Karavalambam. Finally, he summarizes everything. Andhasya me, I am blinded. Hrota viveka mahadhanasya. By taking away viveka mahadhana, the supreme wealth of viveka, discriminatory intelligence, has been taken away. Mahadhanasya. Chorai mahabalibhihi indriya namadheyaihi. Chorai, the thieves, are none other than Mahabalibhihi, very powerful Indriyas, Indriya Namadheyaihi, Mohandhakara Kuhare Vinipatitasya. They have thrown me into this Andhakara, darkness, blinding darkness of Moha, a ditch, Andhakara Kuhare Vinipatitasya. Lakshmin Rasimha, Mamadehi Karavalambam. Lakshmin Rasimha, Mama Dehi, give me that lifting hand. Prahlada Narada Parashara Pundarika Vyasadi Bhagavata Pungava Hrunivasa Vyasadi Bhagavata Pungava Hrut Nivasa Bhaktanurakta Paripalana Parijata Lakshmin Rasimha Mamadehi Karavalambam. So Prahlada, right from Prahlada, starting with Prahlada, Narada, Parashara, Pundarika, Vyasa, such people's Hrud Nivasa. Bhagavata, such Bhagavata, Pungava Hrut Nivasa, one who stays in the hearts of such Bhagavata Pungavas. Bhaktanurakta Paripalana, Parijata, one who is always Anurakta, he is having a Rakti, he enjoys saving the Bhaktas. Bhaktanurakta Paripalana Parijata. Lakshmin Rasimha Mamadehi Karavalambam. Lakshmin Rusimha Charanabjam Madhuvratena. Madhuvrata is the bumblebee which drinks the. So we said Madhu as a Rakshasa, he will not enjoy that essence. He brings it and puts it in here as Vasana. So that is Madhu as a demon. But Madhuvrata is something which enjoys those honey. That is Lakshmi Nrusimha Charanabja Madhuvratena. That, but it enjoys that honey which is available only at Lakshmi Nrusimha Charanabjas, in the lotuses known as feet of Lakshmi Nrasimha. On those Charanabjas, this Madhuvratam, this bumblebee, is going and drinking the nectar from there. Madhuvratena stotram krutam subhagaram. Such a Madhuvrata, such a bumblebee is done this stotra. Madhuvratena stotram krutam shubhakaram bhuvi Shankarena. On this bhuvi, by the Shankara, he is putting his signature in there, Shankara Bhagavatpada. Bhuvi Shankarena, such a Madhuvratam, who has done this stotram, kratam Shankarena. Ye tat patanti manuja haribhakti yuktaha. Any person with haribhakti, patanti, studies, reads it, sings, with the meaning, understanding of the meaning in the mind. Ye patanti, patha is patha. Patha means with understanding, reading. Manuja haribhakti yukta te yanti tat padasarojam akhanda rupam. Te yanti tat padasarojaham akhandam akhanda rupam. Akhanda, not having any khandas, divisions. Akhanda rupam, no division, in undivisible form. Tat padam, his place. Padam means feet are the place also. Tat padam. Te yanti, they will reach to that place. Who studies this 16 slokas plus 17th one is the Phalasruti. So there are various other versions of other slokas which are available, but this is the version which is from the authentic source of complete works of Shankara Bhagavatpada. There are several other, I am struggling to actually, this is a Telugu printed book, but lot of mistakes are there in this. So if I read from here, the right version is not there, but anybody who is interested should get the right version of this work, and studying, doing worship with this kind of Shankara Bhagavatpada stotras on Akshaya Tritiya tomorrow gives everlasting, infinite, eternal Shreyas, prosperity which will not diminish. So that is the first part of my talk today. So this is predominantly done for the sake of Shankara Jayanti, but Shankara Jayanti can be celebrated with his stotras and also by worshipping Shankara, because without Shankara we would not have all these stotras which have encapsulated the philosophy, spirituality, bhakti, jnana, everything in a proper amount of into this recipe to uplift people, to get that Karavalambam, the Karunya Rasa of divine grace. So let us also read out one stotra which is again close to my heart. It is called Stotakastakam. I would have written blogs on it, various slokas of it. But to get reminded of the Shankara, Totakastakam is the worship of Shankara. Vidita khila shastra sudha jaladhe mahitopanishat kathitartha nidhe hridaye kalaye vimalam charanam bhava Shankara desika me saranam. So Bhava Shankara desika me saranam. So this Totaka Chandas comes with 2 laghus and 1 guru. Vidita khila shastra sudha jaladhe mahito panishat kathitartha nidhe, like that. So Vidita Akhila Shastra Sudha Jaladhe, Akhila Shastras, without any leaving, all Shastras, that Sudha Jaladhe Vidita, one who knows that. Mahitopanishat Kadhitarthanidhe, Mahita, great Upanishads, Kadhita Arthanidhe, the meaning is in the Nidhi, where it is there as a hidden treasure. Hridaye Kalaye Vimalam Charanam, in my heart, I imagine Kalaye Vimalam Charanam, such lotus feet I keep in my heart, Kalaye Vimalam Charanam, Bhava Shankara Desika Me Saranam, Shankara Desika Bhava Me Saranam, Bhava Shankara Desika Me Saranam. So with that, everything will go with that only. Karunavarunalaya palayamam bhava sagara dukkha viduna hrudam rachayakhila darsana tattvavidam bhava shankara desika me saranam. So what we are asking now, Shankara, is Karunavarunalaya palayamam. Karuna Varuna. Karuna is compassion. Varunalaya is the ocean. Karuna Varunalaya palayamam. So the ocean of compassion, you take care of me. Palaya, Palana is something like a father taking care of son or mother taking care of son. Palana is that taking care, bringing up. Palayamam, Bhavasagara Dukkha Viduna Hrudam, Bhavasagara, of this Bhavasagara Dukkha, the sorrow coming from this ocean of repeated lives. Viduna Hrudam, my heart is throbbing with the pain of that. Viduna Hrudam. Rachaya Akhila Darsana Tattva Vidam. So we are asking him to write Tattva. Rachaya, you arrange my wisdom in my heart. Rachaya Akhila Darsana Tattva Vidam. You write it in my heart. Bhavasankara Desika Me Saranam. Bhavata Janata Suhita Bhavita Nija Bodha Vicharana Charumate Kalayeshwara Jiva Viveka Vidam Bhavasankara Desika Me Saranam. So Bhavata Janata Suhita Bhavita. So Nijabodha Vicharana Charumate. The Charumate, who is having wonderful mind, Mati, Charumati. Kalayeshwara Jiva Viveka Vedam. Kalaya, create the Viveka in me. Ishwara Jiva Viveka. What is Ishwara? What is Jiva? You create such Viveka in me. So we are asking Sankara Bhagavatpada, Bhavasankara Desika Me Saranam. Be refuge to me. So give me that Ashraya, Ashrama, Ashraya. Give me that refuge in you by doing Kalayeshwara Jiva Viveka Vedam. Bhavasankara Desika Me Saranam. This is an Ashtakam. So 3 slokas are over. 4th one. Bhavayeva Bhavaniti Menitaram Samajayata Chetasi Kautukita Mama Varaya Moha Moha Jaladhim Bhavasankara Desika Me Saranam. So Bhavayeva Bhavaniti. We know that you are only Bhavan, great Lord. Bhavayeva Bhavaniti. Me Nitaram. So you are not anybody else other than the Bhava or the Sankara. Sankara is Sankara. Bhavayeva Bhavaniti Me Nitaram Samajayata Chetasi Kautukita. So I am curious. My Kautikita, curiosity is there. Samajayata Chetasi Kautukita. Mama Varaya Moha Mahajaladhim. So this curiosity, Kautukita, is can be materialistic, spiritual. So if it is turned spiritual, it is good. If it is materialistic, then get entangled in the materials. So we are asking, Mama Varaya Moha Mahajaladhim. Control me from going towards the Moha Mahajaladhi. Mama Varaya, falling into that deep ocean of Moha Mahajaladhim. Mama Varaya Moha Mahajaladhim Bhavasankara Desika Me Saranam. Sukrudedhikrude Bhavada Bhavito Bhavita Samadarsana Lala Sata Atidina Mimam Paripalayamam Bhavasankara Desika Me Saranam. Atidina Mimam. I am one of those people who are at the last in the line. Atidina Mimam Paripalayamam. So you have to take care of me. So not even, I can't even come to you and ask you to something. I am Atidina Paripalayamam Bhavasankara, the complete surrender. జగతీం అవితుం కలితాకృతయో విచరంతి మహామహసచ్చలతః అహిమాంసురివాత్ర విభాసి గురో భవశంకర దేశిక మే శరణం. జగతీం అవితుం, సో ఫర్ దిస్ వరల్డ్ టు ప్రొటెక్ట్ ఇట్, జగతీం అవితుం కలితాకృతయో విచరంతి మహామహసచ్చలతః. దెర్ ఆర్ సెవరల్ gurus who come here to protect different types of people, but they are all like they are also light giving. Ahimamsu rivatra, by like sun, ahimamsu hiva atra vibhasi guru. But you, Shankara Bhagavat Pada, he brightens this world like sun, so no other light and brightens this like sun. అహిమాంసు రివాత్ర విభాసి గురో భవశంకర దేశిక మే శరణం. గురు పుంగవ పుంగవ కేతనతే సమతామయితాం సహి కోపి సుధీః శరణాగత వత్సల తత్వనిధే భవశంకర దేశిక మే శరణం. సో గురు పుంగవ పుంగవ కేతనతే, పుంగవ కేతన, సో గురు పుంగవ, సో ద వృషభ ఆర్ ద పుంగవ is శబ్ద is used to the selected one. Vrushabha, Guru Pungava, Pungava Ketanate, one who is having the Ketana, the flag of having a bull on it. Pungava Ketanate, Samata Mayitam Nahi Kopi Sudhi, Saranagata Vatsala Tatvanidhe. So, five Saranagata, Vatsala, Vatsalya is always referred to the parents or the Gomata, Vatsa, Govatsam, or the Guru. Guru always have a lot of compassion towards Sishyas. He can't see the Sishyas suffer. So, Saranagata Vatsala. Tattva Nidhe. Nidhe, the Nidhi is hidden treasure. Tattva, that real Tattva, original truth, is hidden in you. Tattva Nidhe. Bhava Shankara Desika Me Saranam. So, finally, 8th sloka. It's also a favorite sloka for me. విదితానమయా విశదైక కళాన చ కించన కాంచనమస్తి గురో ధృతమేవ విధేహి కృపాం సహజాం భవ శంకర దేశిక మే శరణం. సో వాట్ ఇట్ సేస్ ఇస్ విదిత నమయా విశదైక కళ. ఐ డోంట్ నో ఈవెన్ ఎ సింగిల్ కళ. విదిత న మయా విశద్, కరెక్ట్లీ ఐ డోంట్ ఈవెన్ నో ఎ సింగిల్ థింగ్. సో హూ విల్ there is no use with me basically. Vidita namaya visada eka kala, not even single thing I know well. Nacha kinchana kanchana masti guru, I don't even have a little bit of kanchanam or gold or the money, wealth to give it to you. So I don't have, I can't serve you because I am not well versed in anything, so fully. So I can't serve you with any of the kalas, means physical or writing poetry or writing prose or anything. Nacha kinchana kanchana masti guru, I don't even have anything to give to you. Dhrutameva vidhehi krupam sahajam, the sahajam, the natural krupa. You have something very natural, which will keep coming naturally flowing out of you, the krupa. Krupa is karunya, krupa. The compassion, that urge to take care of people like me. Dhrutameva vidhe, dhrutameva, immediately you give me that krupam sahajam bhava shankara desika me saranam. Don't delay giving that grace or letting that grace flow in, which is naturally flowing in from you. Let it flow onto me also. Dhrutameva vidhehi krupam sahajam bhava shankara desika me saranam. So, on Shankara Jayanti, because of the current situation we are going through, no big festivals or functions can be done, but everyone can sit, read, study and worship Shankara Bhagavat Pada in true essence with Shankara Bhagavat Pada's own stotras. First worship Shankara Bhagavat Pada with Thotakashtakam. Worship God with Shankara Bhagavat Pada's stotras. Everybody is guaranteed to get that compassion or the grace which originates in the supreme reality or the Paramatma known as God. Through the Guru, it flows into. So, that kind of a Parva Dinas we are getting into. Akshaya Tritiya, then the fourth day and the fifth day. The fifth day, Panchami, is Bhagavad Pada's Jayanti. So we have kind of covered three topics basically today. So Jagat Guru, who is a Jagat Guru? Krishnashtami, Vyasa Purnima, and Sankara Bhagavad Pada Jayanti. If these three Jayantis are not there, no Sanatana Dharma remains here as of now. So because of that, we have to be always grateful, loyal to this Guru Parampara. And Akshaya Tritiya's importance, Parashurama Jayanti, Treta Yugadi, and also several other things which makes any work, any worship, any upasana, any japa, tapa, dhyana, all these kind of things done on that day, which is tomorrow for this year, gives undiminishing, infinite results. So Danam can be done. Dana is the best thing to do. Whatever we have, if we can help somebody in need such a day, those things for Janma Janmantarepi, how many of our lives we are going to take again in different births, this Dana will come back to us infinitely when we are in need. So Dana is always give and take. So when we are giving, we should not expect anything. So that when we are in need, the things are taken care with the divine Akshaya Phalitas. So Japa, Dhyana, Yajna, all these things can be done. Japa Yajna is the best thing to do. So doing that, again studying Sankara Bhagavad Pada's works and things like Parashurama's Tripura Rahasyam, Dattatreya Parashurama, and reminding of all that. Several importances are there. One can refer to what is Akshaya Tritiya. There's a lot of information on the internet, whatever it is. But that Akshaya can only come in a subtle layer. Nothing gross can be Akshaya. So anything gross, anything in the materialistic world, it will diminish, it will transform, it will go away. So one has to strive in the subtle layer of Jnana, Bhakti, and Vairagya, Viveka. This kind of divine wealth, once imbibed into, it will come with us forever. It won't leave us. Then we have seen the Nrisimha Karavalamba Stotram and also our Thotakashtakam. With that, I would say we'll take leave. Swasti. Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. May people use this great occasion, auspicious occasion. That too again, Sunday, it is being a Sunday, Akshaya Tritiya has additional importance, so Surya Aradhana also comes into the picture. So with all these things, may one and all gain that grace, knowledge, wisdom, and eternal peace. Swasti.